Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have 2008 Mercedes Benz. And this car here, the customer say the battery got die every other time. I don't know how long, and but they change the battery. We check the back. So when this car here, it have really voltage drop. So what we did is, you have that light, look. We check all the access, and we put this snap-on tools. If you notice here in the back, it have this wire is an amp probe wire. You connect it here, and you connect it here. Yes, we have voltage, and we're gonna go and read the amp. How we're gonna read it? You're gonna come here back. Okay, I'm coming to the other side. We're gonna come here, and we're gonna disconnect the battery. You see, everything is closed. The door closed, everything is closed. You see this cable here, we connected the gray cable, we connected to the terminal, battery terminal. We made this one just for the clamp to be good, and we connect that one to the battery. And in between here, we put our AC DC current clamp, you see here. So now with the way we put it in, because we cannot put it there, so the way we put it in, any voltage drop or any current consumed by the car, it will be available there. So right now we're gonna go open the door, only the door, to see what is the voltage drop. Ignition is off. Look here now, it's 0 voltage. This is by scope. If you see here, it's 0 amp. We don't have nothing pulling down, 0. So now let's just open the door. You see, we open the door, you see the current go up, you see here. And now we have about, how much we have? You see, like it's go all the way to 1. Yeah, but I don't see the voltage that is here. No. Yeah, 0.9, you see? Yeah. Hold on. You see here 0.9, 0.8. Open the other door. No, it doesn't make anything, I believe. Yeah, now I open the other door there, where Mr. Louis there, we open 2 doors. You see, it's go more to 0.9. You see? But it's the same input. So there is no difference. There is no difference. So in this car here, maybe the customer is not driving this car a lot. You know, Mr. Lou, sometimes the people, they don't drive the car a lot. You know, they just drive 1 mile and they park it. Tomorrow 1 mile and park it side to side. They don't walk like every day driving 40, 50 miles. So really, there is no voltage drop. It could be the battery, that interstate, we have any problem with the interstate batteries? I'm not sure. Do they need to put a dealer battery? I don't believe so. But for now, there is no voltage drop. There is nothing consuming the power. Unless if the computer wake up by himself sometime in the night. I don't believe so. Unless if we're going to leave it like this and we do it from time to time to see if it's going to wake up. Or you know, this is normal. Now, you close the door. It's 0. Open it again. 0. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.7. Okay. If I turn the headlight on, but it will not work. Yeah, the parking light. I turn one parking light. It say 1 volt drop. You see, I turn this one, 1 voltage drop. More. I gotta go. I got close the door. If you have Modis or Solus, it's very good for using this one here to look for the voltage drop on Mercedes, on any car. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and if you have any problem, feel free to ask. And if you have any suggestion, let us know. Thank you.